Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 14. Talking to a counselor. I have an appointment for 1:30.
What can I help you with?
Well, I have a problem with my class schedule.
What is it?
It seems that I've been given 2 classes scheduled at the same time.
I can understand the problem with that.
Is there any way that you can fix my schedule?
No problem. Do you want those classes still?
Yes, I do.
Let me see if I can find one of these classes on another day.
Thank you very much.
I'm here for my appointment.
What can I do for you today?
I have an issue with my schedule.
Tell me the problem.
I have 2 classes on here that are at the same time.
Oh, I see.
Can you change that for me?
Do you still want both classes?
Yes, I would like to keep both classes.
I'll try to change one to a different day.
I would greatly appreciate that.
I was supposed to meet with you at 1:30.
Yes, I see. What did you need to see me about?
There's a problem with my schedule.
What's the problem?
2 of my classes occur at the same time.
Well, I can see that's a problem.
Is it at all possible for you to fix that error?
Yes, I can. Would you still like to have both of these classes?
I want to keep both of them, if that's possible.
Well, let me find you one of these classes on a different day.
Thanks a lot.